Okay, so to install the SnapandRead extension, you can either Google the SnapandRead extension, or you can scroll down here to the first resource on our page. Make sure you're signed into your Chrome account, and when you hover over this icon up here, it has your name pop up. Then click Add to Chrome. Then turn on the icon, and you're going to sign in with your RRISD Gmail account. Allow. Okay, and the next thing you're going to do is right-click on the icon, choose Manage Extension, scroll down, and turn on Allow Access to File URLs. And this will just help it work a little bit better in different websites. You'll notice the icon is now turned off. So in order to enable the icon at any time, you click on it, slide the SnapandRead slider button, and then the color will turn blue, meaning that the tool is activated. You might have to refresh the page for the SnapandRead toolbar to appear.